Hi Anurag,
Hey, Shraddha.
welcome to Tea Talks edition 6.0, the winter edition.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you so
always nice to see you, the familiar face at a familiar convention, and I'm so happy to see you represent Squircle Games. I'm super excited to know a little bit about your journey delving into the retail aspect of our Indian gaming scene. So give me a brief background about you first and then Squircle Games.
Super. I'll quickly introduce myself. I'm Anurag. Been in Bangalore for about a decade, and yeah, I have a professional life outside of games. I'm a chartered accountant otherwise, and been in service for about a decade. Been gaming post COVID, sometime around 3.5, 4 years back is when I actually ended up at one of these weekend events that happens, right? And yeah, I mean, just got hooked to it, right? So
Naturally.
just one event gone too serious, and here I am 3 years later with a huge working capital investment.
Yes.
Trying to figure things out.
Yeah.
But yeah, even 6 months back, I was really unsure of. I did had a word with Falgun.
Right.
In terms of, I really do want to do something in this space.
Right.
I just didn't know the direction in which I should be taking this until 6 months back when the last this detox was happening. I was on the other side of the table. I was playing games. I was volunteering here. So I was there, but yeah, I mean, still unsure of how to enter this space, if at all, because as a Marwari, that's the second nature, right? I mean, once
Thinking
something,
numbers and also being a CA, yeah?
yes,
Yeah.
something that clicks with you, I'm sure people would like that as well. And I saw multiple challenges, discovery being one of them, which is being solved by all of these conventions, these weekend meetups, and there are many and more people working on solving for discovery. But once the discovery phase of it is actually resolved, is the major problem of availability in India, right? So
Yes, rightly so.
yeah, I mean, what's an issue for an Indian market may not be an issue for foreign markets in terms of e-commerce platforms, right? So e-commerce platforms in India, people in the community at least do not trust a lot on the e-commerce platform. So D2C is the way to go, right?
I'm a big advocate for buying original games personally.
100%.
Even if it does not mean that buying 3 games a month or 3 games in 3 months also,
Yeah.
or 3 games in a year. But I'm a big advocate of buying original copies. Otherwise, you also have games like on Amazon Ghansham Production ka a cheap version of Azul or Splendor.
Yeah.
The games are great, but if you look at the printing quality, it's so shoddy. Like,
I mean,
it's a big turn off.
Of course, the gameplay
And-
changes. I mean, while
yeah.
the mechanics would not change, the gameplay, the experience of it, the one that actually keeps you hooked on to playing
Absolutely.
another round of the same game, would depend a lot on the quality and the material. And of course, it's only ethical to buy original copies.
It's ethical, and I'm so glad Squircle Games, which is your brainchild, with your excellent team, making all of these gateway games, Euro style games, being made available in India. And
Yeah.
being a CA background, I think the import and export aspect of it, not everyone has to be good at everything, but if you have cracked the whole idea about how do I import any
Yeah.
of the specific games versus gateway games,
Yeah.
that's a great thing.
Yeah, I mean, even in my days of service, which is still ongoing, but I've done a lot of brands that has import or export as an element to it, and yeah, I mean that came in pretty handy to me.
You think in the long run it's going to be viable for Indians to buy games, international
Even
quality
today
games?
it's not viable, right? I mean, it's an expensive hobby, right? I mean, a
It is.
game like a Wingspan, which could be available much cheaper outside of India, it's an expensive for us as well because of the customs, because of various, I mean, higher shipping charges. I mean, there are multiple variables to it.
But you know, with a lot of game cafes opening up,
Yeah.
left, right, center in different parts in tier 1 and especially tier 2 cities now.
Yeah.
Kanpur, Ludhiana, Chandigarh,
Yeah.
people hosting game nights, a collective collection of games being built.
Yeah.
Then
you
it
need
also
not have
makes-
your own collection.
It
right?
also makes complete sense, even if they are being, not everybody is ready to mule games from you
True.
from abroad.
True.
तो अगर मेरे को थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम पे करके इंडिया में ओरिजिनल कॉपीज
Of
मिल रहा है तो
course.
इट्स ऑलवेज अ गुड
Of
थिंग,
course,
राइट?
and of course, we are giving it at the best prices that could be made possible in India, right? I mean, of course, buying domestically in India could be a slightly expensive than
Fair.
buying it from outside and getting your friend to mule it. But availability is being solved in some form or manner, and we are trying to make it as economical, as
Yes.
financially feasible as possible.
I think larger demand will also create that buffer space to also
course.
bring down the cost. It's a
And
supply and demand
The
issue,
only
right?
logical next step is to start production in India, which I hope, I mean, publishing production in India, and which we are very hopeful here that would happen pretty soon.
So I think by supporting as a community, if we support buying from an Indian brand who's
Yeah.
making it possible, the outsiders, the publishers also have bigger faith. In fact, in terms of, okay, if I'm being able to sell 100 copies in India in an
Yeah.
XY given quarter,
Yeah.
it makes more sense for me to also start producing in India.
Yeah.
I think just in our previous talk with Mohit Printers, and we have a lot of other publishers as well, manufacturers, who can match the quality, and that is how the price can come down.
Yes.
It's also a very connected cycle that we are talking
I mean,
about.
the prices would come down by as high as 30, 40, 50%, right? Once we start,
That's amazing.
once we start manufacturing
In
in
India.
right? I mean,
And we have all the
costs-
capabilities,
We
right?
have all the capabilities. We have all the capabilities. We might not have the volumes today because, of course, manufacturing setup and all would take a higher demand than what is there
Right.
today, right? Once the demand side of the discovery side of it is solved,
Yeah.
I'm sure we are capable enough in all form and factor to start.
Which is where Squircle Games is
Yes,
resolving
which is the
our
logical next
idea
step for
about the
us.
gap.
Yes.
And we are super excited to have Squircle Games show up.
Sure.
I love the library that you guys have set up and great prices on phenomenal games. I've been into this space for a good 15 years now. And I remember muling a lot of games, like loads of them, truckloads of them, when I went abroad for the first time. And if any aunt and all are coming, I say, don't get me anything, but get me one board game. So I always have my wish list ready. Now the fact that they are made available in India, it resolves a lot of my issues now.
Of course.
So thank you so much, Anurag, for making
Thank
Squircle
you.
Games happen and for being part of Tea Talk 6.0.
Thank you for having us. I mean, I just can't wait for the next one as well.
I would like to know what's your social media handle, and if we need to order games, where do we order it?
Right now, it's pretty offline. We'll be live soon with a website in less than a month's time.
Super. But do you
we
have a-
run through a WhatsApp community. I mean, we can help you here.
We'll
is-
put the description.
Yes.
We'll put the contact details in the description on our
Instagram
YouTube
handle
channel.
goes by the name Squircle_games.
Pretty
Squircle.
simple. Squircle_games. Do follow them. If you have a specific demand for a particular game that you're looking for, it might take a little while, but if they have
Yes.
it on hand,
And we'll
We'll be
ensure
happy
we
to.
make it happen.
Yes.
I mean, here to fulfill
they
everybody's
have
wish
cracked the
list.
code, guys. So like all you need to do is they are one DM away, and
Indeed.
support the growing community by buying original games, by supporting local makers, and by helping us keep this community afloat. So thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much
Thank
for
you so much.
having
Thanks a lot, Shraddha.
such confidence in our gaming community as a
Yes.
space.
100%.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Thank you.